What's up everybody, my name is Francografo and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your photo looks insane with a single click. All you need to have is a preset color grading to your Adobe Lightroom CC, and I'm going to show you real quick how to install those presets. All you need to do is open Lightroom CC. Once you open Lightroom CC, you're going to scroll down to these three dots here, show preset browser, and you're gonna have a lot of preset here. How to install your personal ones? You're gonna click here on these three dots and click import presets. Once you click import preset, go ahead and choose whatever you have your presets on. Mine's are in Lightroom, and there you go, you got a lot of preset here. I'm not gonna choose any one because they are already installed. But once you download your own presets, all you need to do is click on the preset, click import, and boom, you're gonna have it in the user presets windows. Once you have your preset installed, you're going to have your profile like edited and all tweaked. That's because the preset already have a own editing settings. You're going to tweak this until the image looks like you really want it. I'm gonna tweak a little bit and I'm gonna show you the before and after. And there you have it, guys. Once you finish editing your photo, guys, this is going to be your final result. I'm gonna show you a really quick before and after. This is the before and the after I install and put my preset on the photo, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a short one. I promise you the next video is going to be a little bit larger, a little bit longer, I don't know, whatever. And yeah, guys, I hope this helped you a lot because it saved you a lot of time and also in sometimes money. And yeah, guys, thank you all for watching this video. Please click the share button to help your friends, to help yourself, and to help me to get bigger in this industry. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button. Turn your post notification on. I upload videos every single week. I'm gonna be trying to upload video more constantly for you guys, more tutorials, and eventually vlogs, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I am out.